YouTube, what's good? It's the OG back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, click that little notification because YouTube been jacking me around with my views, man. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, man, now. So just hit that notification and hit refresh, so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Also, please hit that thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. I know it's been a minute since I did a video. Maybe, I don't know. I forgot. But anyway, I got a package in. Ooh, excuse me. I know it's late. eBay. So I'm gonna crack it open. Let me bring this down, son. Hold on, bear with me. Man, the lighting is jack, ain't it? Well, it is what it is, man. Let me crack this open, family. I got some more stuff coming in. But I said, let me bust this open real quick. Raggedy ass knife. It's not my normal knife. It's just something, After a certain period of time, you have to tighten that up and get loose. One of them cheap ass knives. But anyway, it is what it is. Timberlands. Trying to get prepared for the winter because I truly believe we're going to have a real cold, messed up winter. Size 11 and a half. With the Timberlands, you go down a half size because they run big, So, it is what it is. Yep. So it's the box inside. I know y'all done seen these a million times, but these shits is heavy as hell, man. Got some black joints. Man, this lighting ain't hitting right, man. Hold tight. Let me go somewhere else in this house. Hold tight. Yeah, this is a little bit better. Yeah. Got some black Timberlands. Give me some spray so I can spray these joints. Man, these shits is heavy. Some weight, man. Damn. So used to sneakers, What's that right there? Oh, it's just like new buck, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I like these, the black ones. It's a Timberland right there on the side. It's the inside. I don't know if it's gonna pick up. You done seen these boots a million times. I just wanted to do my little video on these. Maybe that might be the thumbnail, who knows. Alright, YouTube, thank you guys for tuning in. It's the OG, and I'm out of here.